Hello everyone. So after a long time I'm making another video. So I'll explain for the Nifty index for the Monday. Let's have a predict for the Monday. So how it's going to react, right? So see, basically you know everything, the conflict and all that. So no need to explain about that. So market, it's currently it is in the SNR level. So it has already touched this area. So if you see this, so if it fall down from this area, so I hope it's going to be the little worst. So I don't think so it will fall down. And also there is a little kind of normalize the situation, because as we see some positive, but we cannot guarantee that, right? So there will be still some people, investors and people are not ready to come forward and then started investing or something like that. So see, basically I'll go through the simple methods. So if any option traders or anyone wanted to see this one, see, in this situation the volatility matters a lot for who? For option buyer, not for the seller. For the seller it is kind of like it's very risky. Seller cannot sell on this situation. It's a very horrible. You cannot manage anything. Everything implied volatility will be high, everything will be high, so no need to discuss about that. So let me explain first. See, basically I'll just go through the 1 hour time frame so that clarity will be little clear. Okay, so see, if just let me have draw my idea. Everyone, I think in the previous video, since long I am making, so everyone knows that how I'm going to trade. So how my way of analyze is basically trend line, support and resistance. That's the most key. So people should have one kind of a strategy, which is this one is mine. So it's my way of entry and all that. So these are the SNR area. So see, suppose Monday it's going to open above this one and try to sustain, and it probably it's going to hit the 17,000 for sure. So those who are assuming that they will maybe they can buy or something like that, they can not taking a huge risk, but one lot would be the better if anyone wanted to start, or if anyone wanted to enter. So this area would be the crucial area, 168 the 4039 something like that. So this area, from this area, so it will be very good. मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बता दूंगा। तो देखिए, आपको पता है ये जो भी है, ये एरिया से यहाँ से काफ़ी अच्छे से ऊपर जा सकता है अगर इसी एरिया में ये थोड़ा 1 आवर 2 आवर ऐसे सस्टेन हुआ तो, या तो बिफोर दैट वो हिट और ये गैप फिल भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे ये आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये गैप फिल आराम से कर सकता है, ठीक है। तो अगर मंडे को ये सस्टेन कर पाता है तो there would be the very nice, and also it's a very positive, and also the retail trader will participate on that one, so it will be very good. And for the smaller trader also who had bought some small lots, so this area, right? So it's a simple, see, two trend line, one support and one was the parallel trend line example. So I had draw simply. Okay, let me have some kind of more confirmation. See, I'm using this one, so let me choose from the higher, and then let me draw this one and see. If you notice this properly, so 2:1, 2/1, it's see, this green line has this area only, so market also and price is also at this area only. So if it breaks from this area, there would be the chances of going to hit 17200 also, but also the vice versa. So it may, if it reject and if it try to fail down, then it could be, it's kind of little bad as well. तो ये फिर यही एरिया में आ सकता है, शायद एक ही दिन में यही एरिया तक भी आ सकता है, ठीक है। जैसे उतना तो शायद नहीं हो सकता है ना, बट मेरा हिसाब से मुझे लगता है कि ये एरिया में आ सकता है। जैसे ये गैप अप हुआ है ना, तो ये एरिया में मंडे को आ सकता है, अगर ये ऊपर सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया तो फॉर दोज who are going to trade, so just check market for 1 hours at least, and then only try to enter based on gap up or gap down, so that would be better for you. Okay, so I think I don't have anything to explain in this one. So these are the very simple, so you can see the area that how it perform. So from the smallest area, so it try to make a bigger and then again bounce back, and then now it's the time, either it will cross or it will reject this area. Suppose it does reject, then could be little bad for so I hope that's it for the today. So this is the simple explanation, and anyone can even go for the uh, buy side also, or if anyone want to, suppose sell, if if it reject from this area, those area, suppose example 1176, or maybe if it open the gap down, then it's you need to, if it open the gap down, then you have to wait. But if it open the upside, then I think those who can take a risk, they can buy easily based on price action, and then there would be the good chances to hit the 1700 also. So maybe possibility is high, because it took from this area. This is the crucial area, so it's very good. So I hope everyone like. तो आज के लिए इतना ही। तो मैं, अगर फर्दर कुछ है तो प्लीज़ आस्क मी, सो आई कैन सो थैंक यू एवरीवन।